So it's important to know that before you even register a domain name, that you have a goal in mind before you begin building your website. And there's three basic types of websites, and depending on what you want to do, really depends on what platform you should build your website on. The first type of website is selling digital products such as a video course or a downloadable PDF, or selling a service such as coaching, speaking engagements, or done for you services like maybe you build people's websites for them or something of that nature, or even selling a single or a one category type of physical product. Okay, and the second type of website is selling multiple products, like a storefront that has multiple options and multiple categories. Think of it like almost like a mini Amazon type site that's focused around a particular niche. Maybe it's camping, or maybe it's survival, or something of that nature. The third is basically creating a blog where you're promoting or selling advertising based around your content. Now, the thing is if you don't want to earn any type of money at all from your website and you're just doing this for fun, then the third type is probably the best type, okay? So let's talk about digital products and coaching as a service here and how to actually set up that website. Well, ClickFunnels is a really good website to do that. It allows you to quickly and easily create a powerful sales funnel, website, and so much more. It's easy to use a point-and-click technology that is really, really effective. Now, little disclaimer here, I am an affiliate of ClickFunnels. But that being said, I never promote or recommend anything that I haven't used before. If you want to find out more information, you can just click this link on the bottom here, and it'll go over to my website called ClickFunnels Pricing. Or if you just want to sign up for a free 14-day trial or 2-week trial, you can just click this button right here. So what we're going to do right now is I'm going to show you how to actually set up a ClickFunnels website quickly and easily. We're going to log into my ClickFunnels account, and I'll show you how easy this is. All right, so the nice thing about ClickFunnels, it really is a point-and-click system. It couldn't be easier to design a website. So I'm logged into my ClickFunnels back-end office here, and all I need to do is click up here to Funnels and click on Build Funnel. And from here, you're going to pop up this window here, which is going to show you exactly what type of funnel you can build. And you can see that honestly, there are so many different options for you to actually build a funnel. So, and a website. So if let's assume that you want to offer professional services. If you just click that, you're going to see here that it's going to give you the best idea to actually create your website. So if you want to generate leads, it's going to throw those things in there. And it really is as easy as choosing one of these pre-designed type funnels to actually go ahead and create your website. So to show you here what their goals are at the bottom here. So you can either get their contact information, or you want an application, or you want to run a survey. And so you do that, and it's going to put all these things in place for you, and you can go in there. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to quickly go in here and design a funnel just to show you how quick and easy this is. But it really is a matter of exactly what type of website you want, depending on these options over here on the left. So I'm going to show you how easy it is to build this, but for you may want some other type of website that's available here. So obviously I can go through and I can spend hours here showing you every type of funnel there is to build, but I do have some training over at my website. If you click the link below this video here, then there's a 7-day free course I have there. It's going to show you how to get the most out of ClickFunnels. Think about this. You get a 2-week trial, okay? So if you can build a website very quickly with this, which you can, probably in under an hour, you can start sending traffic to that and seeing sales almost immediately. So it's a really good option, and it's fast. It's everything you need as far as a website and selling anything online is built right into here. This really is a great option for those who are serious about their business and really want to get their website up and running quickly. So let's just go in here real quick, and I'll show you how to build one of these funnels. What we're going to do here is build a funnel really fast. We're going to sell a product. We're going to do an e-commerce website, and we're going to actually sell a product. So bam. Now it shows you something here. I'm selling low ticket front end products, or I'm selling mid-tier. and we're going to go with this one here, and boom. So you got that. You got the video sales letter, you got the sales funnel. So we're going to select this, and it tells you the directions, and Russell's going to tell you exactly here what to do and how to do it. But basically down here, you can choose a paid design or you can choose free. We're just going to go with free. And it gives you all these different designs. Okay, so we can do a blank one, or we can choose any of these awesome looking pre-designed letters. I mean, this is so easy to do. So we choose that, and we're basically ready to go. We're just going to click on Get Funnel here. And once you do that, and you end up here on this page. And once you do that, you can just edit the page. Just click Edit Page, and it'll come up with this awesome back-end editor here where you can change everything on here. You can change this logo, you can change this here, and it's just a matter of point and click. So it's all pre-designed here, and it's really simple. And you can see the sections here. You can add sections, you can manage the sections, you can add rows, you can add columns, you can add all kinds of elements. You can preview it, you can save it, you can do your integrations with your autoresponder here. You can do the search engine optimization metadata, which basically is all of the information related to your website, tracking codes. You can do custom cascading styling sheets, which is a little bit more advanced. Change your background, your typography. I mean, there's so much you can do on this. And also, let's not forget that these websites are designed for mobile. So they're all pre-designed. This is what it would look like on a mobile device. So it's awesome that you don't even have to worry about that. It's going to work on every device. And it's important to realize that over 60%, I think it's something like 65% of people now visit websites on their mobile device. So it's important that when you design a website, it does, and it is compatible with a mobile device. So as you can see here, really, really simple how to build one of these sites. I'm not going to go through every single thing, but go give it a free try, 2-week free trial, and you'd be amazed at how quickly and easily you can get a website up and running using ClickFunnels. All right, so the next option I want to talk to you about is a completely free option, and that's to build your website on WordPress platform. Okay, so you just go to www.wordpress.com, and you can do that. Some of the benefits of this obviously are, number one, it's zero out-of-pocket expense. It's not going to cost you a thing. You can choose from thousands of designs, and it's pretty much ready to go right out of the box. Some of the drawbacks, obviously, is you don't have a custom domain name. So you get a subdomain, so it'd be like yourbusiness.wordpress.com. And you don't have control of the platform. Obviously, it's on their servers. And you have limited storage space for free. It's only 3 gigs for free, which is quite a bit. I mean, you can certainly build a free blog with 3 gigs. There's no problem with that. So let's just go over and I'll show you exactly how to set this up. So here we are here on WordPress, and you can see here all you need to do is click on this Get Started button, or you can see the plans. They do have paid plans on here, but I'm going to talk about that in a few minutes. But to get started, it's really simple. You just click on Get Started here, and you can start with a blog, you can start with a website. In fact, they even have some information here that they can help you do that with, okay? So you can start with an online store. So it all depends on what you really want to do. So if we want to start with a blog, and I think this is the best option, if you don't really want to make money online, you want to use your website just for fun, just to put up a blog, to communicate with friends and family, then this is the way you would do it. So you would enter your name and keyword about, maybe your blog. You can do Mike's travel blog. Okay, let's see if that's available. It's going to take a few minutes here for the free option to click in. So you're going to just have to wait for that to pop in, because what it's doing, it's searching right now to see if that's available. So you can see here that it is available, right? So all we got to do is select that, and we are ready to go. We can start for free. That's what we're going to do. And then it's going to ask for your email address. I'm going to choose a password, click continue. And congratulations, your website is almost ready. And then you go, there it is, there's my address, right? So all we need to do is now we go to view my site. And from here you can do all kinds of stuff. It's gonna show you exactly how to customize it. and it's really easy to customize this theme. All you got to do is click this over here, and this is going to come out. So if we customize a theme, you just click on that, because we want something that looks a little bit better than this, right? All you need to do is click here. Need help setting up your site, and it's going to pull up this window here. And then what you're going to do is you're going to click on this button right here, all themes. And then from here you can choose any of the themes that you want. So we could do a search for whatever kind of theme. So we're looking for travel. We'll just search that, and bam, we got a nice theme here. If we want to choose this, obviously this costs money. We just want the free one, so we're going to click on free, right? So that's kind of cool. I like this one here. That's a kind of a cool design. You know, you can go through here and customize the theme. Really simple to do. You just choose any of these. I like that one. It's a nice looking design. It shows you exactly here how to customize it and so forth and so on. So all you got to do is click this, activate this design right here. If you have the site all set up, all you got to do is you can change anything in here. Like I say, Mike's travel blog. And you can put a little description in here. So once you've got this thing all set up the way you like it, all you got to do is hit this X over here, and then you're going to click on my site, and then you're going to say blog posts, and you can just click on that, and then you'll see that this comes up, which is the first blog post that we did, right? So if we want to edit that, we just click this edit button, and it's going to come in here, and it's going to show you, you can change your image, you can do all this stuff, and it's going to help you along the way. So this is my first blog post. Blog post, you just click update up here, and boom, your page is updated. And there's all kinds of options here you can go through and check it out, right? So this is it, right? So really simple. Obviously, a lot of different templates you can choose from, and this is how you get a basic website up and running for free. So the next thing I want to talk about is WordPress on your own servers. So some of the benefits of this is you can have a custom domain name, in other words, www.yourwebsite.com or anything you want there. Many plans would come with unlimited storage, so you can have as much stuff on your website as you want, plus unlimited visitors. And on top of that, you can get free advertising. I'm going to show you how to do that in just a minute. So what are some of the drawbacks? Well, the drawbacks are monthly expense, right? It's going to cost you, a few bucks every single month, and it's not very expensive, but just for that small amount of money, you're going to get a lot more benefits. So let's look at how to set this up on your own website. First of all, you need to choose a hosting account, and then simply install WordPress, and then install a theme. So let's talk about choosing a hosting company. Now, there seems to be as many web hosts out there as there are actual websites, so it's important that you choose one that's good. I use a hosting company called Bluehost, and I use and promote Bluehost. In full disclosure, I will get paid a commission if you click on the link to sign up right here. But the reason I like Bluehost is because it's stable, and they've been around for years. It's really easy to use, and it's very inexpensive. So let's go over to their website, and I'll show you exactly what you can get. So if you click on that link, you're going to end up here, and you can see it's only $3.95 a month. You get a free domain, you get a free site builder, you get one-click WordPress install, and 24/7 support. Plus, if you look down here, you get over $150 in offers from Google, Bing, and other leading sites to help you grow your business. So that's like free money just for signing up. Now, it's really simple to install WordPress, and they have step-by-step directions here, but all you have to do is log into your account, find your website section, and then click this WordPress install button here, and then choose the domain you're going to want, read the terms and conditions, and just click install now down here, and this is all on your back end. And you can do exactly on this site as you can do on the free WordPress site. The only difference is you get unlimited domains. You can get a package with unlimited domains and a lot of other benefits as well. So great way to set up a WordPress site if you want the paid option. You may be on a different web host, and if that's the case, then in order to get to your cPanel login to install WordPress, you need to go to this particular address, your particular website address, .com/cpanel, and you'll end up on a page like this. So I'm just gonna log in here, and then you're gonna end up on something that looks similar to this. Now, a lot of different web hosts look different than this, but this is basically your main files and things that you can install. And on the very bottom, you're going to see something either like Softlicious or something like that, and you're just going to click on the WordPress to install it. And it's really simple. All you do is click Install Now, and it's going to ask you what website to put it on, and it's going to ask you to install the directory. So now this is important. The directory is relative to your domain. So if you want it on the top level, which you do, you just want to get rid of anything that's in this area right here, and then you can name the site here, and then your description, and then down here is your important information. You're going to put your username and password in here. I would change this to something different than admin because it usually defaults to that. And it's really important right here, your admin email is something that's probably a Gmail account or a free account. So in case you do lose the password, you can recover it very easily. Now, in order to access your site, you're just going to want to go to yourwebsite.com/wp-admin. And that'll bring up a page like this, and it should probably automatically log you in. Now, this is what it's going to look like a little bit differently than what we're going to see when you just sign up for WordPress.com. This is going to be hosted on your site. So over here, you can customize your site. And this is all of the options that we saw previously. But if we want to actually change the appearance of our site, we can go to themes right here. And from themes, you can actually search all kinds of themes. So we're going to click on Add New. And then we're going to search over here on themes. I'm just going to type in garden. And you can see a bunch of sites here that would relate to our website. So if we want to preview any of these sites, we can just click this preview button here. Now, sometimes the preview doesn't work, but on this particular case, it does. Okay, and it's going to show you how everything kind of looks on this. If you don't like the way it looks, then you can choose another theme. Now, let's just assume that you go through here and you search and you search and you search and you can't find the theme you want to choose. Well, guess what? I've got good news for you. There's a theme out there called Elementor, and you could click on the link on this video to get to it, or you can just go to elementor.com. It is a live page builder for WordPress. It is very, very, very cool, and it does a lot of stuff. You can go and check it out. There's no coding required. It's free and open source, and it's faster than most others. It's very easy to use. I've used it. You can use it on any theme, on any page, and you can change just about every element. You can check it all out here. And it's absolutely free to use. So check it out on Elementor. So I hope this video showed you how to get started with creating your own website quickly and easily. I think you got the basis here. I may come out with another video that's going to show you how to set up an e-commerce site. If you're interested in hearing about that, just comment in the area below and make sure you like this video. Make sure you subscribe to my channel, and I will see you in the next video.